a waste of money, guys. I don't know. I guess if you really like them. Hades. Oh, check out those fall colors. Looks pretty. Pretty Indiana. I-64, Indiana, not supposed to be here. Too far east. My company doesn't care, I guess. So I saw a sign that said Lincoln's boyhood home is this exit, whatever that is. I didn't know. I thought that was Illinois. I don't know how much longer I can do this job. I can't fucking stand it. That's kind of pretty, huh? French lick. St. Louis. I'm going to Louisville, which is in another state I'm not supposed to be in. So people in Indiana don't know how to merge. Of course, people everywhere don't know how to merge. So the speed limit in this construction zone is 40. No way in fucking hell should it be 40. I'm driving 55. I'm trying to slow down, but it's way too slow. Leaving Indiana. Bye, Indiana. I think this is Kentucky because it's Louisville. I don't drive around here so much. Not supposed to. I understand 40 here, even though I'm still doing 55. I don't see no welcome to Kentucky signs. There it is. There's the welcome to Kentucky sign. Kentucky.
Kentucky.